Ooh. Wow. Wow. There's a black hole here. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Ooh. 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 Oh my god, it's a red spotted millipede. Ooh, it's so amazing insect. Ooh, 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 ooh. There are so many red millipede here. Oh my. Oh my god, unbelievable. This is a red millipede close up here. Amazing. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, so all the red millipede close up. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this, look at this. Wow, look at the banana around here. Looking here, it's a frog. Oh, wow. It's a baby frog. Okay. Oh, let's look at it. Ooh. Oh, it's nothing. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Amazing, everyone. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, so cute. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's very beautiful. Beautiful animal. Oh. Look at here. Look at here. Yes. I try to catch as many as I can here. My goal is to find thousands of red millipede. Oh. Hey, everyone. Oh my god. Oh. Here. A lot of. Oh my god. Here. It's sleeping in the hole here. You see, it's a spotted place for them. Look around under the leaf here. It's amazing. Wow. Oh, here, inside here. Shoot bugs here. What kind of worm is this, everyone? Do you know this, everyone? Do you know these worms? This is my first time seeing this yellow worm. Amazing. See it here? It has many different kinds of worm. Okay, let's look around here. See it here. Oh my god. This one is close up so well. Amazing. Oh, it's a perfect couple millipede close up. Unbelievable, everyone. Good job. Ooh. one more. Oh, wow. So many mini right millipede all close up here. It looks like candy. Ooh. 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 Everyone. Wow. Okay. Let's see it here. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. It's right spotted millipede. With a giant millipede. Ooh. Ooh. Amazing. Okay, let's catch the small one first. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow. The giant snake millipede. Oh my god. Ooh. The big one king millipede. Amazing. This is looking wow. Oh my god, it's got a mixture of the worms here. It's nothing. Oh. Okay, let's look at the small banana burn here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, everyone. Let's stick around here. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Oh wow. Ooh. 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 Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh. So perfect. Ooh. 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 Wow. So many here. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, it's so great. Ooh. So can you guess how many red millipede I found today, everyone? Ooh, who's the dead millipede? Yeah. This is a very nice view here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check this place. Oh, oh, it's also nothing. Okay, let's find new place here. Ooh, African snail. Oh my god, there's also snail here, but I don't take the snail because it has so much saliva. You cannot put snail with the millipede. Nothing here. Ooh, oh my god. Couple of millipede close up together. Oh, wow. Amazing. Oh, this is the giant one is walking out. My god. Look at this very best. Ooh. Ooh. Amazing. Ooh. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, here. Oh, wow, wow. Ooh, ooh, a lot. Wow, wow, amazing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's a frog here. Oh, everyone, it's a big frog. Oh, 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 oh. The frog has run away. Okay, check all this area. Oh. Ooh. 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 So many red millipede everywhere here, everyone. Oh, look at the giant, what it's doing. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Hello, hello. Ooh. Oh my god. 3 millipede close up here. Amazing. Wow. Oh, so many banana plant. Ooh. 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 Ooh, everyone. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Here. Ooh, amazing. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Here, everyone. Oh my god. Ooh. Here. All the white area, there are so many red millipede stay and living there. Ooh, big frog here. Oh, this place has no millipede. I'm walking so long to come here, but actually this area has less red millipede. Okay, let's check all this long. Ooh, ooh, everyone. Wow, here, wow, so many, everyone. Ooh, a lot, everyone. My goodness. Ooh. Ooh, two close up together and inside the soil. Wow, so many here. lot of red millipede here. Whoa. Ooh. Even small and big together living here. Unbelievable. So maybe this is the home of the red millipede, and they live here together. Yeah. So the giant want to come outside from the box. See under the soil. Ooh. Ooh, even in the soil here. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness, everyone here. Ooh. Ooh. It's a bitter lava. The soil lava. It's still small here in the blocks hole. Yeah. Amazing. Ooh, here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, is that? Is that millipede? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Yes. So good. Ooh. Ooh. Here. Oh, the big one walk out. Amazing, amazing. I love all these worms here. Trying to come out again and again. The giant worm, the giant snake, trying to get out again and again. Oh no, yellow one outside there. Wow. Oh, see, this area has many millipede, red millipede. Oh my god. Here, and put it there. Wow. Yes, like it here. Oh, in this way here. Just amazing, guys, amazing. Look what the legs is. With their legs, amazing legs. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. Wow, everyone. Ooh. Ooh. I have to catch them all here. Okay, catch all this red millipede. Okay, 1, 2, catch all together. Yes, all of them are close up here. Even if they're small or big, all the way close up to protecting themselves from the enemy. The big one is here. Yes, right here. The king of Millipede. Okay, that's wrong. Inside the tunnel. Ooh. Here, everyone. Oh. Okay, catch with my hand here. It's easy and faster. Yeah. Right there. Oh, it's hiding here in the west spot here. Okay, let's walk more to the end of the road here. Okay, now it's time to work, and I'm going to come here next time, and hope you guys love watching this video, and don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel, everyone. See you later. Bye bye to this worm.